Hey guys, here's another Hurricane Sally repair we got to do. We got plenty of those up and down the waterways here. Just where the water got up underneath the docks, they wasn't fastened correctly to the pilings, wasn't bolted, or they just used galvanized nails, and all the nails tend to rust out when it's real close to water like that with salt water we have here. But we're going up the bayou here in the barge, getting a couple shots of some of the existing boathouses we've done to kind of show those off, and I want to show you what we're doing to get this dock put back in place. Some of the pilings were just kind of put in different areas that I really didn't like how they were lined up, so we moved the pilings around a little bit to get everything supported better and be more aesthetically pleasing. A little catwalk around the outside, replaced that, and installed a 10,000 pound golden sea drive boat lift. It's a real nice boat lift and does a good job. We got a good warranty on that, so if you ever have any issues with it, we have good support with the manufacturer. Appreciate you guys watching the videos, and if you got any comments or questions, please feel free to leave them. Give me a like or a dislike. Either way, just let me know what you feel, and I'll try to get back with you. Thanks. Here's a project we completed earlier this year that Chief has taken advantage of. I think he likes that trampoline. One of our beautiful projects we completed. On the way to our next job. Passing looks nice. It's got a slate roof on top of it, 13,000 pounds of slate on top of that boathouse. That's a big one. New vinyl seawall with some riprap also. So we took this previous jet ski lift out that was here, left it all together, and now we're going to relocate it up to the front of the slip here. So we're going to jet it all down at one time. It's nice having equipment. We can just pick the thing up, put it right back in place. Come on, Chief, jump on the barge. Come on, you can do it. I know you can. It's another Hurricane Sally repair job we're working on right here. We've already installed boat lift pilings. We're going to install a 10,000 pound boat lift here, but this dock floated off the structure. It was just nailed down, looks like, so the nails had rusted off. The dock had been here a long time, so it served this purpose, but we're going to go back with some marine treated lumber, salt treated lumber, and decking on top with everything will be bolted down. Stainless steel bolts since we're so close to the water, and some stainless steel screws on the decking. Also got it elevated probably about 7 inches because during real high tides they said to get water over it. Now we're getting the string set up to move some of these poles around into the proper place so they're lined up properly and not just placed all over the place. I like it to look nice and neat when I'm done. You guys coming along good over here. We got the service wall just about framed up, 4'6". All rough cut timbers on there, like I said earlier, because this is pretty low. We're cutting the I-beams down now on the boat lift. It's only going to be 11 foot from cable drop to cable drop. He wants to keep a close distance so he don't have a big step getting out of his boat. And that's a 10,000 pound Golden Sea Drive series boat lift. Only type of lift we use, got the best warranty in the business, and normally got all the stuff that we need to put it together right. That's a good working relationship with that company. Got some good progress out here, got it all framed up, stainless steel bolts all put in. Just got a center stringer to run on this one right here. We got the lift done. Electricians are going to be coming in the morning to get everything wired up. Taking the scaffolding down now, then we'll be good to move on to the next hurricane repair project. Got this project completed. Cleaning up now. The guys are finishing screwing off the decking. Sweeping down. We're actually pushing a barge out right now, moving to our next Hurricane Sally repair job. Good look at the project as we're going by. Electricians will be here on Monday to get the electrical hook up, get the cradles and all leveled out, get the boat on there and everything adjusted out just right. Hey guys, here's another Hurricane Sally damaged dock we pulled up on. We've already started some of the demo. Most of the decking on the 3-foot catwalks were broken loose, torn loose. It's kind of low, so what we're going to go back with is some salt treated material on the cross bracing and stainless steel bolts, which it looks like it's there now, but we'll go back with the proper material on the bottom. This whole deck actually came loose and was just floating up and down, trapped in between the pilings. We're going to demo that, take that all apart. Got another service walk, 3-foot service walk over here that got washed away. A little bit left up here in the bow of the boat. We're going to demo all of this, haul it off to Reclaim Center, and then we're going to go back and reframe the whole thing with stainless steel bolts. And we're going back with a Timber Tech dark teak decking to match some of the decking you have up on the house, and also replace the top cap on the seawall here so it matches the dock as well. This is going to turn out to be a pretty nice project when it's all said and done. Going to look really good and sharp. Got a little bit of work to do on the boat lift too. The boat was left in the lift during the hurricane, and it pounded up and down against on these bunk boards here, so we'll do a little repair on the rubber on the bunk right here too. If we can't repair it, then we'll just replace it. Hey y'all, really means a lot that y'all watch my video and check out what we do. I appreciate it. If there's anything y'all like to see or got any questions about, please feel free to leave me a message in the comments. If they get monotonous, let me know. I just think it's pretty interesting watching what's going on. A lot of people like seeing how these projects are put together. But if you got any comments, leave me a comment, give me a like, give me a share on Facebook if you got a Facebook page. I appreciate it. My page is definitely growing, so thanks a lot and we'll keep up the work.